Alex, the Travel Fashion Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to pack for 2 different people using the Compass Rose Slim Carry-On Packing Cube. We're going to be using the colors to organize for 2 different people. So we're going to be packing for my husband and I. I'll be using the red packing cubes for my clothing, and I'm going to use the gray packing cubes for his clothing. I've chosen 3 V-neck tees for him, 3 sleeveless tops for me, 1 pair of shorts for each of us, 1 pair of trousers for each of us, 2 dresses for me, and 2 dress shirts for him. So this is really kind of typical of what we wear at home and while we're traveling. Always pack the stuff that you like to wear when you're on the road. We didn't choose these colors just for travel. These are the colors that we like to wear. So choose a color story that you also like so that way you can mix and match your clothing. Let's get packing. Now first I'd like to start with the bulkiest item. So in this case, I'm going to start by putting in his trousers. A pair of gray chino type pants. They're from Zara. So I'm going to put the shorts right over them and close that up. Now I think if I really wanted to, I could probably put another item in here, but I don't think I'm going to need to do that in this particular example. I'm not showing you the maximum of what you could pack. I'm showing you a strategy. In this case, using different color packing cubes so you could keep your family members organized. You could have the parents in one packing cube color. Each family member could have their own packing cube color and similar to that. So in this case, I've got both of his bottoms right over here. I'm going to put that to the side. The other gray packing cube, since we're color coding, that's where I'm going to put his shirts. He has 3 of the exact same V-neck tops. We both kind of are working on creating our perfect capsules. You like something so much, you have the exact same thing. I could either fold these and then zip them up, but I'd rather have those folded because they're his dress shirts and they probably need 1 more fold. Both of these dress shirts are from Zara. They're lightweight and versatile. So I'm going to put those there on the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to roll his tees like so. Make sure everything's fitting nicely. Maybe close that up a little bit. I like to use a combination of rolling and folding, whatever makes more sense. If I wanted to try to use the packing cube with the purpose of compression, then I can easily put more items in here and then I could squish it in and roll it up, but I don't need to. It depends on what ironing options you have, if you're planning to iron. So there's plenty of space here. I really could still probably pack 2 more of his V-necks or 1 more of these button-up tops at the very least, but we're just going to stop right there. Again, the mission for today's packing cube video is not necessarily to show you how we're maximizing the space. It's more for organization. So I'm going to put these 2 to the side. Now I'm going to pack my clothing. I'm going to use the 2 red packing cubes to pack my items. I'm going to also just pack my bottoms in one and my tops and dresses in the other. Dressy shorts from Zara, then my favorite Skylar pants. So I've got both bottoms in here. Again, not full, just organization. Now I'm going to pack first the dresses and then the tops. And I'm just showing you the way I'm adjusting my packing as I'm going on. And this is really genuinely how I pack. I fit everything in once, I do it again, I see what makes the most sense, and you just adjust accordingly. I just wanted to show you a really authentic, genuine view of the way that I pack. Not pretending that I'm perfect or a perfect packer. More so what I want you to take from this are the strategies. So I've packed for a very simple warm weather trip for my husband and I. My items are in the red, his items are in the gray packing cubes. It's a set of 4. They're all numbered 1 through 4, and they're also color coded. That way you can pack them in a variety of ways. We've got a variety of videos to show you that as well. Hopefully you've enjoyed these tips. My name is Alex with Travel Fashion Girl. I have way more content and way more tips available on travelfashiongirl.com, so please check it out and leave me any packing questions down below. Don't forget to share this video. I look forward to seeing you next time. Safe and stylish travels.